Hello, as always, Suchanowski and Dariusz, our perfect team remains the same. Welcome to the next episode. In today's episode, we will focus on morning exercises. To be more precise, we're going to show you a 5-minute set of exercises, stretching exercises, plus breaks like always, for morning stiffness, morning pain. We know time is key, so to respect your time, our video has been divided into individual chapters. You can jump to a given chapter by using the hint or move the progress bar on YouTube, which is also divided and signed. As always, our introduction will be short, so we can jump to the main part as quickly as possible. However, before I have to say about two important pieces of information. First information, remember that the set of exercises is dedicated to the people who have already been diagnosed. So if it's the first time you feel the certain symptoms, maybe stiffness in your neck, maybe stiffness in your lower back radiating through the leg, maybe stiffness in your mid back radiating to the ribs, the best solution at first would be to contact your doctor to find out the cause of your pain. And if you confirm the cause of your pain is the morning stiffness of your muscles, then start to exercise with us. And second information, our subscribers know this, but if you are a new viewer of our channel, in order to safely use our exercises, please watch the video with our warning, to which I leave the link in the card above somewhere here. That's it for today. We hope you have practiced with Malja and you will find this set of exercises helpful. As always, feel free to comment down below in the comment section and leave like if you like to exercising with Malja, exercising with me, or if you like just Dariusz. If you want to see more of us, we invite you to our Facebook and Instagram. We wish you a perfect day, no pain, no stiffness, lots of exercise, and we will see you in the next one.